Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into your My account and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This prevents interrupted uploads. Next, plug the phone into power so backups finish. Open Settings, tap About Phone, then Backup and Reset to access Xiaomi's backup options. Choose what to backup: apps, photos, system settings, because selecting fewer items speeds the process. Once done, tap Backup Now. Watch the progress indicator and do not close heavy apps while the backup runs. You now perform the detailed backup. Choose Cloud Backup for safety and automatic restores, or Local Backup to internal or SD storage if you want control. Select App Data, SMS, call logs, and photos. Omit large media if storage is limited to save space. Tap Backup Now and monitor the progress bar. Check total size to confirm upload finish. If using cloud, make sure My Cloud quota covers the backup. If not, free space or use a local transfer to PC with USB. To restore, sign into your My account during setup or after a reset. Go to Settings, Right Arrow Backup, and Reset Right Arrow Restore and pick the backup snapshot you created, then select Items to recover. Restores can take time. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and connected to power. If something goes wrong, first verify Wi-Fi and My Cloud storage availability, then retry. As a key troubleshooting tip, if Cloud Restore fails, use the local backup or transfer the backup folder to a PC for manual recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.